Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Cece, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. I hope that you would stay, subscribe, and become a part of the Fashionceesta family. Here over on my channel, I show you how to be your baddest bitch at an affordable cost. And today, y'all see the title of the video, I'm going to show y'all how I turn my favorite drugstore lash strips into faux lash extensions. Clusters have taken over the internet. I already told you guys in my first cluster video, the TikTok monster grabbed me and I knew that I needed to give these lash clusters a try. I think that lashes really set the tone for the look, and it can really enhance just like your natural beauty. Y'all know I told y'all in the last video as well that I have been just a lashes, gloss, and just light brow girl for pretty much the entire time I was in aesthetic school, and kind of still to today. I don't really wear makeup as much, but the clusters have changed the game for me. Like, not only are lash extensions expensive, the maintenance is just so frustrating. When your lashes start to shed, you get the looking cockeyed, and I just don't have that problem with clusters because once they start to grow out, I can literally just peel off whatever lash is starting to grow out, reapply some glue to the cluster, and pop it right back under that lash line and keep it moving. So today I wanted to show you guys a more in-depth, detailed video. I have updated the products that I've used since the very last cluster video that I showed you guys. So all the products will be listed down below in the description box. Make sure you check them out. If you do click on any of the links to purchase any of the products, do know that they are affiliate links because mama gotta keep the lights on. So yeah, I don't want to keep you guys hostage. Let's go ahead and jump into the video, and yeah. So as mentioned in the intro, I'm going to be using my favorite lashes from the iEnvy Remy Invisible Band line in the style 05. I like to peel all of the glue off of my lashes because if you know that sticky adhesive that gets the lashes to actually stick to the tray that they come on is so annoying when you don't peel them off. So I'm just going ahead and making sure that I take all of that residue off of the lashes before I start to cut them with my scissors. Now, I like for my lashes to look a little full, so you guys are gonna see me once I start to cut them kind of snip them as close to the 3 clusters as possible. Am I explaining that right? You guys see how I have it laid out there. So it's like 2 little lash fans per clipping. Sometimes I do 3, it just depends on the lash, but for this particular video I am cutting them in 2s and forming them back onto the tray so that way I know where the lashes need to be placed on my eyes. So this is the final product of everything cut up. Now this right here, these tweezers, you absolutely need these, but this glue, this this bond adhesive is the star of the show. I told you guys, someone commented on my old cluster video and was asking me how did they hold up, and I told them that I was going to be dropping a new video and I changed the products that I'm using to adhere my lashes. And when I tell y'all this bond is everything, I literally just run it across the top of the lash, let it dry out for a little bit, just so that way it kind of builds like a barrier. So please don't crucify me when y'all see how dusty and dirty this this original bond that I was using looks, but I still like to prep it with the bond. This is from Velux. I believe this is also something that's by Kiss or iEnvy, one of the brands. I don't know, y'all. Check the description box like I said earlier because everything will be in there. But I do like to bond my lashes first, and then I like to start attaching them with the bond that I am applying to the lash strip. That way it gives it extra security, but also because I've placed bond on my lashes with that bond and seal product, it's gonna make the lashes stick and give them something to cling to. So as you guys see, I'm just placing, I like to start with the inner corners because I feel like if you start with the outer corners, sometimes it can get a little tricky when you try to put the lashes on the inner corner. So I start from the inside of my eye into the outside and I layer them.
Now, like I said, don't drag me when y'all see this product. I've had it and I actually bust the bond side and couldn't find it. That's how I ended up with the bond glue that y'all see in this video. But I use the seal, which is the silver side, which is on the right, and I like to seal the lashes in so that way they are pretty much stuck like Chuck. And this is what has been working for me for my lash clusters, guys.
So I'm back, the lashes are on, your girl is looking good. So I just want to give y'all a few little like housekeeping things about lash clusters. I do absolutely love them, don't get me wrong. I have not went to get my lashes done, honestly, in like a year because I've been cluster gang. So I want to start out by saying, please make sure that you are still taking care of your lashes underneath the lash clusters. You don't want to get like any dirt built up under your lashes because that can cause irritation to the eye. So I do typically take all of my lashes off after maybe like 2 weeks of wear just for sanitation purposes. I personally don't wear makeup throughout the weeks, so my lashes do fine. However, I will let y'all know that whenever I do wear makeup, even if I haven't put any eyeliner or anything on the top of my eye, for some reason, I get like dirt makeup buildup up under it. So that can be a little annoying. So what I like to do is just take like a Q-tip and clean whatever like dirt and residue as I'm cleaning up my makeup, and if any of the lashes get loose, I simply just reapply them and keep it pushing. So be aware of that. Make sure you guys are treating and sanitizing your lashes the same way that you would sanitize and treat your lash extensions, because lash health is super important. I feel like as a licensed esthetician, that is my duty to tell y'all to do that. So yeah, but I hope that you guys love this video. I probably will never go back to getting lash extensions. This is just way more convenient for me. I don't have to lay down for an hour to get my lashes done. I can just cut a strip up and boom, your girl is good to go. So with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Thank you all for supporting my channel in my absence, because I know that I left you guys hanging, but you know, I said that I'm gonna make it my duty to stop apologizing for life happening and me going ghost on my channel, because you know, that's why I push out content when I push out content. If y'all miss me, y'all can just go rewatch the old videos or hit me up on social media, which by the way, before I get out of here, y'all, I have no followers on my The Fashion Ceesta Instagram. I literally started over, and I think that what I'm gonna do for that particular page is dedicate whatever content comes out. So like about these lashes, I'll just do kind of like a little blog. It'll be like my The Fashion Ceesta blog. For any videos that I post, I'll try to make sure that I create corresponding content to go onto my Instagram. So if you guys want to follow any of the brands that I mentioned, or if you guys have any questions or anything I didn't cover in the video, obviously because I can't really go back and change it once I do post editing, I'll probably mention it on the blog post on my The Fashion Ceesta Instagram. So I will pop that here on the screen for you guys to be able to go and follow that page. And hopefully I'll get started this week with posting content on there, because I'll be back posting content on YouTube. So yeah, hope I didn't get this video too long-winded. Like I said before, I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for all of your love and your support, even for those of y'all that reached out to me on my other social media platforms and checked in on your girl. So yeah, I don't really have any other closing remarks other than the lashes look bomb and get into it. Purr. So bye, see you on the next one.